Hello everybody, my name is Krattiger and I'm the Managing Director of the Fribourg Development Agency. The Swiss Cybersecurity Days, if they would not be held virtually as it is today and this year, usually they would take place here in Fribourg. I would like to give you some information about the location of the canton of Fribourg, which should also be of interest to you and also your company. Fribourg, in fact, is the place to grow, and it offers perfect conditions for companies. With this best practice track, Fribourg and the Industry 4.0, an opportunity for the security industry, I will present you some opportunities for your company. The canton of Fribourg, like Switzerland in its entirety, is associated often with many clichés. Fribourg is the capital of cheese fondue, and besides Gruyère cheese and heavy double cream, first-class chocolate is also produced here. In addition, Fribourg fascinates with its beautiful landscapes, mountains, lakes, and medieval towns. At the same time, Fribourg is a highly sophisticated high-tech provider. Internationally known companies have established their headquarters or research departments here. I'm thinking of such well-known names and brands such as Liebherr, Cartier, Richemont, Michelin, Nespresso, Scott Sports, Alken, or Verisign. Fribourg therefore moves between those concepts of tradition and modernity, and this is exactly what makes Fribourg so attractive for companies, employers, and employees. Now some facts and figures about Fribourg. In summary, the location of the canton of Fribourg is or can be described as follows. It is young and dynamic. Fribourg as a canton has the youngest population in the whole country. It is innovative. It has a strong innovative strength. In terms of registered patents, Fribourg ranks number 8 among all Swiss cantons. Its education system is excellent. It has one of the highest densities of universities and technical colleges in Switzerland and boasts numbers of centers of excellence. For examples, in the fields of big data, artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth. We are multilingual. The canton of Fribourg is a famed bridge between the French and German-speaking Switzerland. Many companies choose Fribourg as their location because they can serve from Fribourg the largest European markets, which are Germany and France. It has also a very good industry diversity. The canton of Fribourg has a broadly diversified economy, which makes it resilient to crisis, as we've seen during the current pandemic crisis with COVID. Our strategy, with this broadly diversified economy that we have the immense privilege to have, we don't have a single dominant industry in Fribourg. This is why our economic development strategy is based on 2 points. On one hand, we celebrate our diversity. We really take strengths out of it. And we also support companies in expanding their activities and increasing their competitiveness. On the other hand, our economic development strategies provides us with specializations and also opportunities in the area of the bioeconomy and the Industry 4.0. Specializations in those 2 areas gives us considerable development prospects. It also allows us to focus on the interfaces with significant high added value. And this is really the direction in which we are going at the moment. Both in Industry 4.0 and in the bioeconomy, the canton of Fribourg has internationally recognized centers of excellence and expertise, and it supports opportunities that represent significant developmental and collaborative opportunities for companies. The COVID pandemic has also shown very clearly the relevance and the importance of cybersecurity. State actors like the state of Fribourg are a system-relevant actor to ensure that society continues to work during that time, be it hospitals or being here at the Ministry of Economics, the payment of some of the supports that we've been giving to companies during that time, some of the grants programs that we've set up. And exactly during that time where we were most needed, we've noticed also a significant increase in cyber attacks. So The work that you do is very, very important. I think this is something that I would like to highlight. The topic of cybersecurity is also extremely relevant. Now, I'd like to also highlight some industry champions that we have here and introduce you to some of the players that we have in this field that might also be interesting to you. Fribourg hallmarks in the areas of IT strategy and physical security. And these are, for example, Morphean. Morphean from Fribourg is a high-tech company that is highly regarded in its European market. It's the European leader in video monitoring and surveillance platform. It delivers a solution that sets new standards for video protection. And as a pioneer in digital video protection systems, Morphean has cutting-edge expertise that are based on solid knowledge in technologies such as Internet of Things, big data analytics, and of course the cloud. Morphean is not only located here in Switzerland, but also has sales operations in Germany, the UK, and serves customers in the whole world. Morphean provides a state-of-the-art video surveillance systems and delivers smart and proactive surveillance. In addition to security, the company provides its clients with state-of-the-art business intelligence tools to monitor trends and improve their businesses, allowing them to capitalize on their security investment. Morphean covers the whole process of video monitoring as a service. Verisign, clearly a very well-known US company that was founded in 1995 and is currently headquartered in Dulles in Virginia, close to Washington, D.C. It is a big part of what makes the internet work. It operates 2 of the world 13 root name servers, which assign the internet protocols, IP, as you know, and it addresses communications or device communications across the internet. Verisign, as the only issuer of the .com, .net, and .tv domain names, operates the system that manages these domains names and handles billions of web addresses, lookups, and emails each day. In other words, Verisign enables the security, stability, and the resilience of our internet infrastructure. It established itself in Fribourg since 2005. Here, Verisign operates a data center and related services. In addition to network infrastructure services and hosted cyber intelligence, the large majority of the 50+ employees here in Fribourg, in the Fribourg office, have an engineering background and perform development activities. Several collaboration projects have been carried out with the Fribourg University, the Fribourg School of Engineering, and the Federal Institute of Technology, the world-renowned EPFL. ROSAS Center is another competence center that we have that is the Robust and Safe System Centers in Fribourg, and it is active in the field of integrated security covering 3 specific areas: safety, reliability, and cybersecurity. ROSAS is an international competence center which is able to cope with the intensive national and international projects in several different industrial domains, such as aerospace, automotive, industrial machinery, railways, and space, thanks to a unique combination of engineering expertise in safety, security, reliability, and maintainability of systems, and the transfer of innovative ideas in applied research. The ROSAS Center is a valuable safety factory partner in technology development, closely linked to the School of Engineering and Architecture of Fribourg and its Institute of Smart and Secure System, ISIS. The ROSAS Center creates and transforms also knowledge by teaching students in safety and reliability as a demanding and future-oriented engineering discipline. ROSAS, as a competence center, has developed a unique expertise in managing security for autonomous vehicles or vehicles that move around, and this can be significant security issues that are related to hostile attacks of what those systems might do, since we have increasingly embarked IT in vehicles, be they autonomous vehicles or not. This is an area that has increased in interest both for industries but also for companies or people who would like to do harm to any kind of companies, and therefore this ability to increase the security of vehicles and that are operating, and to make sure that whichever operating systems that they have remain safe, is something that can become of critical importance for any relevant companies in the airspace industry, for instance. And now we are still in the area of physical IT security, and as you know, increasingly these two fields of IT security and physical IT security are merging together, they're coming together, and now we'll go into a field of physical security and the potential that it is uncovering together with robotics. And this is an area where the Canton of Fribourg also has a strong expertise that is hosted in one of its scientific parks in Le Vivier. But we will see now how one company has taken robotics and transformed that into an application for security. Rovenso is a startup founded at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, the EPFL, and it has the ambition to become the world leading provider of civilian security and safety robots. Rovenso has developed the Roveo robot, which is capable of conducting an uninterrupted surveillance of industrial sites to prevent safety incidents like such as thefts, damage, spying, etc., as well as security accidents like water damages, fires, toxic leaks, and so on and so forth. With its extraordinary mobility, Roveo is able to climb stairs, for instance. It carries out security patrols completely autonomously and detects these events by combining laser volumetry, night vision, thermography, and acoustics. The combination of all these features and technologies is unique and on the market. Rovenso also is a finalist of the Fribourg Startup Award for 2021, and this Startup Award is part of our Innovation Prize. Now let me talk about the Comet Group. The Comet Group was founded in 1948. It is a globally leading technology firm based in the Canton of Fribourg. Comet develops and produces innovative high-tech components and systems that are based on X-ray and radio frequency. The components and systems are products for steering critical processes in the semiconductor industry, for materials testing and security inspection. They are widely used in the fabrication of high-performance microchips, electronic device fabrication, as well as for the testing of parts for the automotive, aerospace, and security industries. Comet's solutions enable companies to both make their products better and to manufacture them more effectively. Now, you may wonder, what is your opportunity? And rightly, you should wonder. As you can see, Fribourg has a lot to offer, especially in the area of security and cybersecurity. Both Fribourg companies and universities are potential partners who may be of interest to the development of your company and your organization. I'm also thinking of the science and innovation parks, which are extremely active here in Fribourg and work closely with companies in the framework of collaborative projects. For instance, you will have Le Vivier High-Tech Park, which is an ideal location for companies that are focused on cutting-edge technologies and innovation in the field of automation and robotics. Le Vivier offers top-class facilities that are suited to various high-tech activities, comprising a genuine industrial campus that promotes innovation, and it is literally in the countryside. It is high-tech in the green. Another example is the Smart Living Lab in Fribourg. The Smart Living Lab is a research and development center for the built environment of the future and the future of living, which also includes security aspects. The aim of the Smart Living Lab is to achieve energy efficiency, but also digital transformation and the well-being of its users, basically anybody who lives in a house or in an apartment. It brings together the combined expertise of the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology of Lausanne, the EPFL, the School of Engineering and Architecture of Fribourg, and the University of Fribourg. So I can only encourage you to contact me and the Fribourg Development Agency and my staff to accelerate the growth of your company. Fribourg is the place to grow.